Hey everyone, so in today's video we are going to see our trigger scenario number second. Okay, so the scenario is create opportunity automatically when the account is created, right? So the scenario is whenever we are creating an account, then we have to automatically create a opportunity related to that account. Okay, for example, let's say like I'm creating an account, right? I'm creating an account, test account, right? uh, let's save it. Okay, so whenever I'm creating an account, so we have to automatically create opportunity, right? Here we have to automatically create opportunity. Okay, so how we can do this? Okay, so first of all, let's see on which object we have to write trigger. Okay, so in our question, when the account is created we have to get opportunity automatically, right? So here is the object will be the account, right? And what will be the event? Okay, so in trigger we have before event, okay, and after event. Okay, so here we have to create a opportunity related to the account. Okay, so for this we need the id of the account so that we can relate it to the opportunity, right? So so the id we receive in a after event, right? So here we will use the after insert, right? So we know the object, we know the event, right? So now let's start the coding part, right? So here I have already created the account trigger, right? And account handler class, right? So I will be writing in this trigger only, right? So it is a best practice to have a one trigger per object, right? So now here already mentioned after insert event. Okay, so to distinguish between this we will write the if condition. If, let's copy this, if the trigger is insert and is after, then we want to execute, right? So now let's create a handler class for our requirement. Okay, let's create a method. Okay, so I'm creating a method public static void, and we will name it as create opportunity. Okay, so I have created a method. Now I will call this method in the trigger. Okay, so let's call the method first class name, right? Class name dot opportunity, create opportunity, and now we will pass the value trigger dot new, right? Trigger dot new will return the newly created list of s objects, right? Here s object is account, so the trigger dot new will return the list of account which are newly created, right? So here we have to receive the list. Okay, so list of account, and we have account list. Okay, so we have received the trigger dot new. Okay, so now let's save it first. So now we have to like create a loop on account list, right? So first of all, let's create a for loop. Okay, for loop on account sc in account list, right? So and now what we have to do is when for the newly created account in the account list we have to create opportunity, right? So how we create opportunity? So to create opportunity we will write opportunity of, okay, equal to new opportunity. Okay, so now we will see if there is any required field to create an opportunity so that we will not get any error. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so here opportunity name is required, close date is required, and stage is required, right? So we will specify these values, right? Okay, let's say opportunity name. Okay, we will name it as whatever the name of the account, right? We will let's say this. Okay, let's say name of the sc dot, first of all let's save it, then it will show the like suggestions, right? sc dot name. Okay, and plus we will concatenate opportunity, right? So we are naming it as let's say account name is Amazon. Okay, so then the opportunity name will be Amazon opportunity, right? So now opt dot stage name, let's say prospecting, and then close it. Opt dot close date equal to, let's say today plus 7 plus 7. Okay, so from today it will add the 7 days. Okay, and that will be our close date. Okay, so now we have to associate this opportunity with the account. Okay, so what we will do, we will opt dot account id equal to, we will set as acc.id, right? acc.id. Okay, so here we have created the opportunity which is linked to the acc account, right? So now let's test this. So now I am going to create an account. Let's create an account. I'm creating an account, let's say Amazon, right? Save. Opportunity is not created. Let's review our code. Okay, here we have got the error. Okay, so let's save it first, and then let's save it also. Okay, so now we have saved this, and now again I am creating. Okay, let's go to account, new account. Okay, now let's say account name as Tesla, and saving it. And here again opportunity is not created. Okay, let's see, method does not exist or void today. Okay, we have used the wrong method. Okay, we used the today method with the date class. Okay, date dot today. Okay, now the error is gone, and let's test this. Okay, okay, so now let's create Flipkart and save. Again the opportunity is not created. What is the issue now? Let's see is insert trigger dot is after. Okay, under class create opportunity trigger dot new. Okay, then we have the create opportunity method. For every account list we have created an opportunity, new opportunity, name equal to acc.name plus opportunity. Let's see if an opportunity is created or not. Let's see all opportunities. Okay, no opportunity is created. Okay, so we have missed the important line, which is the DMA statement, right? So we have to insert this also. Okay, so insert, what we will insert, so we have to create a list first. Okay, so we will create a list of opportunity. Okay, so opt to insert, okay, equal to new list of opportunity. Okay, now we will insert, now we will add the opportunity we have created in the list. Okay, and now we will insert the list. Okay, so now let's save it. Okay, so now our trigger will work. Okay, so now let's new, and let's name it as Google. Okay, so now let's save it. So here you have seen the opportunity is created, Google opportunity. Okay, stage is prospecting, and close dated 4/6/2026. Okay, so you learn when you practice, right? Here you have seen, like I created three accounts, then like opportunity is not created, right? and then after fourth attempt where we if we are able to create the opportunity. Okay, so as much you practice you will uh, remove these avoid these kind of errors, right? So now we will see next trigger scenario in the next video, right? So thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.